Lesson 23. Law. Justice. The government is responsible for passing laws, and the courts and legal system are in charge of upholding and enforcing the law. When a person is charged with a crime, he or she must appear in court to stand trial. Both the prosecution and the defense will present their cases before the judge and jury. After consideration, the judge or jury will reach a verdict. If there is irrefutable, overwhelming, or concrete evidence, this means that it's very obvious that the person committed the crime, and it's possible that the jury will be unanimous in their decision. However, if the evidence is circumstantial or inconclusive, then the decision will be more difficult. It's possible to have a hung jury which cannot agree on the verdict. Less serious crimes will receive a life sentence. For example, the offenders may have to pay a fine or do community service. For more serious crimes, the person will probably go to prison, and especially heinous crimes can result in a harsh sentence, such as life in prison or life imprisonment, or in some places, the death penalty. After the decision is made, the lawyers can choose to appeal the verdict, and the case may turn into a long legal battle as the court decide whether to uphold or overturn the original verdict. Uphold meaning to continue with the original decision, and overturn meaning to change the decision. As a convicted criminal in serving time, he or she should remember the possibility of being released from prison early for good behavior, as long as they are not deemed a threat to society. A criminal who is released early is said to be on parole, meaning that he or she must comply with certain conditions after getting out of jail, such as getting a job or refraining from drug alcohol use.